Mastering PPC ad campaigns with a Seth Kniep Insight Overview. Pearl Lemon SEO. Welcome to Pearl Lemon SEO, your go-to channel for mastering digital marketing. Please subscribe if you're getting value. We release videos daily. Don't miss out. Today, we're diving into Seth Kniep's approach to running successful PPC ad campaigns. Pay-per-click advertising is a dynamic tool where you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. First, focus on keyword research. Seth emphasizes finding those niche keywords with high ROI. Next, craft compelling ad copy. Seth's tip: speak directly to your audience's needs. Analyze your results. Continuous improvement based on data is key to PPC success. Please give us a like if you got value from this video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights on digital marketing with Pearl Lemon SEO.